far above that we are understand the things. So visual data is basically come under supervised learning. So here
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Good
how
how
are
are
evening,
you,
sir.
you?
everyone?
We
Good
were fine.
evening, sir.
Absolutely
Everyone
We are
fine.
fine?
fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Good evening, sir.
We are fine, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
That's
That's
wonderful.
wonderful.
So
So
today
today
let's
let's
start
start
with
with
today's
today's
session,
session,
right?
right?
So
So
as
as
you
you
all
all
of you
of you
have
have
seen, the
seen, the
topic for
topic
the
for the
day
day
is
is
sensors,
sensors,
and
and
we are
we are
going
going
to
to
understand
understand
related to
related to
the
the
real
real
life
life
applications of
applications of
that,
that,
right?
right?
So
So
the
the
first
first
thing
thing
is
is
like
like
yesterday
yesterday
we
we
have
have
understood
understood
about
about
the
the
output
output
component,
component,
which
which
was
was
LED,
LED,
right?
right?
And we
And
have
we have
seen
seen
like
like
how
how
we
we
provide the
provide the
instruction
instruction
to
to
a
a
machine.
machine.
And
And
today
today
we are
we are
moving
moving
forward
forward
to
and we'll
see
see
that
that
how
how
we
we
can
can
inbuild a
inbuilt a
sensor
sensor
inside a
inside a
machine.
machine.
So
So
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
first
first
of
of
all,
all,
let's
let's
see
see
how
how
do a
do a
machine
machine
feel,
feel,
right?
right?
So
So
this is
this
a
is a
very
very
important
important
thing.
thing.
Just
Just
like the
like the
humans
humans
have
have
the
the
sense
sense
organs
organs
like
like
nose,
nose,
ear,
ear,
hand,
hand,
tongue,
tongue,
or
or
eyes,
eyes,
right?
right?
By
By
which
which
we
we
can
can
like
like
smell,
smell,
or we
or we
can
can
see the
see the
things, we
things, we
can
can
taste,
taste,
we
we
can
can
touch, or
touch,
we
or
can
we can
hear the
hear the
things.
things.
But
But
as we
as
are
we are
learning
learning
about the
about the
robotics,
robotics,
so
so
how
how
can
can
we
we
do the
do the
same
same
thing
thing
in the
in the
robot?
robot?
If
If
if we
if we
need to
need to
create a
create a
robot, how
robot,
can
how
we
can we
implement
implement
these
these
things in the
things in the
robot?
robot?
So
So
for
for
that,
that,
we
we
have a
have a
sensors
sensors
over
over
here.
here.
So
So
these
these
are the
are the
components you
components you
can
can
see
see
are the
are the
sensors,
sensors,
right?
right?
This one
This
is
one
your
is your
flame
flame
sensor, the
sensor, the
smoke
smoke
sensor,
sensor,
LDR
LDR
sensor,
sensor,
ultrasonic
ultrasonic
sensor,
sensor,
sound
sound
sensor,
sensor, and
IR
IR
sensor, and
sensor, and a
PIR
PIR
sensor.
sensor.
So
So
similarly,
similarly,
there are
there are
number of
number of
sensors we
sensors we
have by
have by
which we
which
can
we can
implement
implement
these
these
things.
things.
Now,
Now,
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
let's
let's
understand
understand
basically
basically
what is
what is
sensor.
sensor.
Just
Just
like
like
in
in
our
our
body,
body,
we
we
have the
have the
sense
sense
organs by
organs
which
by
we
which we
collect the
collect the
information,
information,
and
and
then
then
our
our
brain
brain
will
will
act
act
according to
according
the
to the
information.
information.
Similar thing
Similar thing
happened over
happened over
there.
there.
Sensors,
Sensors,
what
what
sensor?
sensor?
Sensor will
Sensor will
collect the
collect the
information,
information
and
and
then
then
it
it
will
will
provide the
provide the
information to
information
the
to the
brain of
brain of
robotics,
robotics,
which is
which
your
is your
Arduino
Arduino
Uno,
Uno.
right?
Right?
So
So
it
it
sends the
sends the
data to the
data to the
controller,
controller,
which is
which
the
is the
brain over
brain
here.
over here.
Now, what
Now,
is the
what is the
brain?
brain?
It's an
It's an
Arduino.
Arduino.
Now,
Now,
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
this
this
is
is
the
the
like
like
very
very
relatable thing
relatable
you
thing you
might
might
have
have
experienced it
experienced it
in
in
your
your
street
street
light.
light.
Like
Like
in
in
nowadays, what
nowadays, what
happened?
happened?
Nobody
Nobody
used to
used to
go to
go to
turn
turn
on the
on the
street
street
lights and
lights
turn
and
off
turn
the
off the
street light.
street
It
light. It
happens
happens
automatically,
automatically,
right?
right?
So
So
there is
there is
one
one
sensor over
sensor over
there as
there
well.
as well.
In your
In your
mobile
mobile
phones,
phones,
most of
most
you
of you
have
have
are
are
using
using
the
the
mobile
mobile
phones
phones
touch
touch
mobile phone,
mobile
where
phone
you
where
can
you can
just
just
put your
put your
finger and
finger
it
and
will
it
get
will get
open. That
open.
means
That
there is
means
a
there is a
fingerprint
fingerprint
sensor.
sensor.
And
And
after
after
that,
that,
in
in
like
like
most of
most
you
of
have
you have
used the
used the
lift,
lift,
there is
there is
also a
also a
sensor
sensor
inside that.
inside that.
In
In
your
your
hand
hand
sanitizer
sanitizer
machine,
machine,
can
can
anyone tell
anyone
me
tell
like
me like
where
where
have you
have you
used
used
this
this
hand
hand
sanitizer
sanitizer
machine?
machine?
Anyone?
Sir, in
Anyone?
hotels. Sir, in malls. Sir, in hospitals. Sir, in the malls.
Okay,
Okay,
in
in
mall
mall
and in
and in
hotel,
hotel,
some of
some
you
of
have
you have
used it
used it
like
like
different
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 places.
places.
Sir, outside mall.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
In the
In the
malls.
Sir,
malls.
hospitals.
All
All
right,
right,
great.
great.
Yes,
Yes,
hospitals and
hospitals and
mall.
mall.
The
The
next
next
thing
thing
is we
is
have
we
the
have the
smoke
smoke
detector,
detector,
right?
right?
This
This
smoke
smoke
detector
detector
means if
means
there
if
is a
there is a
lot of
lot of
smoke in
smoke in
our
our
like in
like
the
in an
area where
area
we
where
have
we
put
have
the
put this
smoke
smoke
detector,
detector,
it will
it will
detect that,
detect that,
right? And
right? And
accordingly, it
accordingly,
will
it will
perform the
perform the
actions.
actions.
And
And
then we
then
have
we
an
have an
automatic tab.
automatic tab.
So
So
for the
for the
automatic tab,
automatic
how
tab, how
many of
many
you
of you
use this
use this
automatic
automatic
tab?
tab?
Sir, I have used
Sir,
it.
I have used.
Sir, I
Okay.
Okay,
have
So
used
Sir,
so
it.
I have
if
used it.
Sir, I
Sir,
have
I
used
have
it.
used it.
if you
if
have
you have
used,
used,
can
can
anyone tell
anyone
me
tell
like
me like
where have
where
you
have you
used
used
this
this
automatic tab?
automatic tab?
In hotels.
In
In
hotels.
hotels?
Sir, in the malls and hospitals.
In apartments.
Okay,
Okay,
Sir,
great.
in malls.
All
All
right,
right,
Sir, in
malls.
malls.
airport.
In
In
airports.
Sir,
airports.
in
Okay.
Okay.
airport.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
That
That
means
means
you
you
might
might
have
have
used in
used in
airport,
airport,
mall,
mall,
and in
and in
hospitals
hospitals
as
as
well.
well.
Right?
Right?
Now,
Now,
let's
let's
see
see
like
like
why
why
sensors are
sensors are
important.
important.
right?
Right.
Now,
Now,
but
but
before
before
moving to
moving
the
to the
why
why
sensors are
sensors are
important,
important,
can
can
somebody
somebody
tell
tell
me
me
like
like
why
why
the
the
sense
sense
organs in
organs
our
in our
bodies
bodies
are
are
important?
important?
If we
If
do
we do
not have
not
the
have the
sense
sense
organs in
organs
our
in our
body,
body,
like
like
can we
can we
perform the
perform the
actions or
actions or
not?
not?
Sir, no.
Sir,
Yes,
if
Okay.
sir.
in the sensors or the sense
Yes, sir.
organs, so we are not able to sense anything.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Sir, sir, if our sensors we don't have, so we cannot work and we will die.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
exactly.
So
So
without
without
sense
sense
organs,
organs,
we do
we do
not
not
perform,
perform,
like
like
we're
we're
not
not
able
able
to
to
do
do
anything,
anything,
right?
right?
So
So
similarly
similarly
over
over
here,
here,
if
if
we
we
need a
need a
robot to
robot to
perform the
perform the
task
task
like
like
us,
us,
right?
right?
So
So
for
for
that
that,
we
we
need
need
to
to
have a
have a
sensor.
sensor.
So
So
sensor
sensor
makes
makes
the
the
system
system
smart and
smart and
intelligent.
intelligent.
That
That
means
means
as we
as
all
we
are
all are
intelligent, we
intelligent,
do
we do
not
not
touch the
touch the
fire,
fire,
right?
right?
So we
So
have
we
to
have to
make a
make a
robot
robot
the
in a
same
same
way
way
so
so
that
that
this
this
robot should
robot should
not
not
go
go
and
and
just
just
indulge
indulge
himself or
himself or
herself
herself
into
into
this
this
like
like
fire.
fire.
Now the
Now the
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
they
they
help
help
machines
machines
react
react
automatically,
automatically,
right?
right?
Just
Just
like
like
happened to
happened to
us when
us
we
when we
touch
touch
any
any
hot
hot
thing,
thing,
we
we
just
just
like
like
quickly
quickly
remove
remove
our
our
hand.
hand.
That
That
happens
happens
because
because
we
our
our brain
brain
reacts
reacts
very
very
quickly.
quickly.
So
So
we are
we are
going
going
to
to
try to
try to
implement the
implement the
same thing
same
in the
thing in the
robots as
robots
well.
as well.
Sensors
Sensors
allow
allow
machines to
machines to
sense their
sense their
surroundings and
surroundings
they
and they
improve their
improve their
accuracy and
accuracy and
safety as
safety
well.
as well.
As
As
we
we
can
can
see,
see,
like
like
if you're
if you're
going to
going
your
to your
school or
school
you're
or you're
coming back
coming
from the
back
school,
from
you
the
can
school,
see
you
a lot
can
of
see a
car,
lot of car,
right?
right?
And one
And
day
one
if
day
you
if you
decide like
decide
I
like
need
I
to
need to
count how
count
many
how many
cars I have
cars I have
seen
seen
from
from
your
your
home to a
home to
school or
school or
school to
school to
home,
home,
you're
you're
clearly
clearly
able to
able to
see
see
them,
that,
right? There
right?
is
There
no
is no
blurry
blurry
things
things
or you're
or
not
you're
able
not
to
able to
count it.
count it.
You
You
know
know
each and
each and
everything,
everything,
you
you
know
know
the
the
counting,
counting,
and you
and
know
you know
how the
how the
car
car
looks
looks
like.
like.
So
So
you
you
have
have a
like
like
good
good
accuracy of
accuracy of
counting the
counting the
things.
things.
So
So
same thing
same
we
thing we
can
can
imply
imply
over
over
there in
there in
robotics as
robotics
well,
as well,
but
but
with the
with the
help of
help of
sensors,
sensors.
right?
Right.
Now
Now,
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
these
these
are
are
the
the
like
like
very
very
few
few
types of
types of
sensors we
sensors we
have.
have over here.
The
The
first is
first
a
is a
light
light
sensor,
sensor,
which
which
is
is
like
like
very
very
known
known
sensor.
sensor.
It's an
It's an
LDR
LDR
sensor,
sensor,
which is
which
your
is your
light
light
dependent
dependent
resistor. And
resistor.
you know
And you
this
know,
is a
this is a
very
very
interesting
interesting
sensor.
sensor.
Right now,
Right now,
what
what
happens
happens
like
like
it
it
detects
detects
how
how
much
much
brightness in
brightness
our
in our
atmosphere
atmosphere
is.
is.
You might
You
have
might have
seen
seen
your
your
mobile
mobile
phones.
phones.
Like,
Like,
just tell
just
me
tell
how
me
many
how
of you
many of you
experience this
experience this
thing.
thing.
That
That
when your
when your
mobile phone
mobile
is
phone
in
is in
like
like
in a
in a
darker
darker
area,
area,
the
the
brightness of
brightness
your
of your
mobile phone
mobile phone
automatically
automatically
gets
gets
increased.
increased.
Or
Or
if your
if your
mobile phone,
mobile
you
phone,
put
you
your
put your
mobile
mobile
phone
phone
in
in
front of
front of
your
your
like
like
the
the
highlight,
highlight,
the
the
brightness will
brightness will
automatically get
automatically get
decreased.
decreased.
Anyone
Anyone
have
have
experienced this
experienced
kind
this
of thing
kind
in
of
your
thing in your
mobile
mobile
phone?
phone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
automatic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
Yes, sir.
exactly.
exactly.
So
So
what
Yes,
what
happens
sir.
happens
over
over
there?
there?
This
This
is a
is a
similar
similar
kind of
kind of
sensor they
sensor
have
they have
used
used
over
over
there as
there
well,
as well,
which will
which will
detect how
detect how
much
much
brightness
brightness
is
is
there
there
in the
in the
atmosphere,
atmosphere,
and by
and by
which it
which
will
it will
increase or
increase or
decrease
decrease
the
the
brightness of
brightness
your
of your
mobile phone.
mobile phone.
Now the
Now the
next,
next,
it's a
it's a
distance
distance
sensor.
sensor.
Just
Just
like
like
we
we
can
can
like
like
we
we
have our
have our
eyes to
eyes to
see
see
how
how
much an
much an
object is
object is
far away
far away
from
from
us.
us.
Similarly,
Similarly,
this is a
this is a
distance
distance
sensor
sensor
which
which
is
is
detecting
detecting
like the
like the
distance of
distance
an
of an
object,
object,
right?
right?
And the
And the
next thing
next
we
thing,
have a
we have a
multiple
multiple
types of
types of
motion
motion
sensors, and
sensors,
one
and
of
one
them
of
it's
them
a
it's a
PIR
PIR
sensor.
sensor.
Now
Now
you
you
all have
all have
visited the
visited the
mall,
mall,
right?
right?
And in
And
the
in the
mall, what
mall, what
happens
happens
once you
once you
try to
try to
enter
enter
into the
into the
mall?
mall?
There is a
There is
one
a one
small gate
small
which
gate which
will
will
automatically
automatically
gets
gets
open,
open,
right?
right?
How many
How
of you
many of you
experience this
experience
thing?
this thing?
You do
You
not
do
have to
not have
just
to just
open
open
the
the
gate
gate
in
in
the
the
malls by
malls by
your
your
hand. hand. It will get automatically
Yes,
open.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, I have
I have
experienced
experienced this. Sir, light sensors are also
light
in cars.
experience.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
exactly.
exactly. So
So
these
these
are the
are the
types of
types of
sensors they
sensors they
have
have
used
used
over
over
there
there
as
as
well,
well,
right?
right?
Now,
Now,
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
let's.
let's.
This is
This
a
is a
simple
simple
example.
example.
Like
Like
in a
in a
street
street
light,
light,
we
we
use the
use the
LDR
LDR
sensor.
sensor.
Like
Like
slowly,
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 the
the
atmosphere
atmosphere
gets
gets
darker,
darker
and
and
the
the
LED
LED
lights is
lights is
getting
getting
brighter.
brighter.
And
And
then
then
this
this
is
is
your
your
mall
mall
example,
example,
right?
right?
And
And
then
then
this is
this
a
is a
motion
motion
sensor
sensor
example.
example.
So
So
these
these
are the
are the
real
real
life
life
examples
examples
where we
where we
can
can
use
use
these
these
sensors.
sensors.
Now,
Now,
like
like
moving
moving
ahead,
ahead,
we are
we are
going to
going to
use a
use a
sensor
sensor
today
today
in the
in the
Tinkercad,
Tinkercad,
right?
right?
And
And
today
today
you do
you do
not
not
have to
have to
do
do
anything
anything
right
right
now
now
until
until
I
I
say
say
to
to
do the
do the
things.
things.
You
You
just
just
have to
have to
sit
sit
back and
back and
observe
observe
what
what
am I
am I
doing
doing
in
in
my
my
screen.
screen. right? So we are going to interface our sensor with the microcontroller in the Tinkercad. So let's move ahead. Now I'm going to share my screen of my Tinkercad. Let me just quickly share my screen. Alright, so here we go. Now to open the Tinkercad, I am going to just write tinkercad.com over here. And I'm gonna just click on login, and after that I'll put this code over here, and this is the code I have shared it to you in your like WhatsApp group, right? You just have to take the code from there. Now I'm gonna take the code from there. Just give me a second, and this is the exact same code. You just have to paste it. Now over here I'm gonna paste the code and click on go to my class. And once I click on go to my class, and then the next button I have is a join with login code. I'm gonna put my login code as a robotics. This is same as we did in a previous class. Then I'll click on go to my class, and my Tinkercad is opened over here, right? So this is how you have to open the Tinkercad once I say to perform this activity. Until then, you just have to sit back, relax, and watch out the activity. And then I'll get to the circuits because I need to create the circuits over there. And once my circuit interface will be open, I'm going to interface a sensor with a microcontroller. So the first thing is I'll take my Arduino Uno, and after that I'm going to take an ultrasonic sensor. So how you are going to take the ultrasonic sensor? It's like bit of a tricky. So I'm going to search for ultrasonic, or I'll only write ULT, and you can see this is an ultrasonic we need to use over here. I'll just drag it out over here, and that's it. So basically what we try to do, we try to measure a distance of an object using virtual simulation. Now how I need to connect it? I'm gonna write first I'll connect this pin named as VCC to the 5V over here, and I'm gonna change the color as a red, and after that this is your GND which I will be connecting to over here, or I'm gonna connect it just after the 5V over here. Now the next thing is our trigger. So trigger I am going to connect it to pin number 12, and after that echo I'm going to connect to pin number 11. And let me change the colors as well. So this is the circuit I have created, right? Now I'm going to write the code just like we did in a previous session. I have written some kind of code in the text format, right? So let's do it over here as well. I'll get to the text and continue. I'm gonna let me quickly increase the brightness. Alright, so let me remove rest of the things. So this code might look like bit different from that yesterday we did, but I'm gonna write first. I'll create a variable simple. I'm gonna write 12, and then echo is going to be 13 or 11. I have connected. You do not need to write it, right? Nobody. You just have to watch it out over there. I'm gonna add trig as an output mode, and after that pin mode echo, this is going to be an input mode. Now we need to measure the distance, so for that I'm gonna write digital write. My trig is going to be high, and after that I'll write delay microseconds for 2, and then I use the same line over here, and this is going to be low. Just watch it out, don't worry about it. If you're not able to understand anything, don't worry. So I'm gonna, next thing is I'm gonna write duration, and over here I'll write pulse in echo comma high, and after that int distance equals to open and close parenthesis duration multiply by 0.43 and divide by 2. And after that, I'm gonna write serial dot print ln distance. So I need to see the distance over here in the serial monitor. Serial dot begin 9600. Now let me start the simulation and let's see what are the distance we can see. So right now, can you see the distance in the serial monitor?
Yes, sir.
So basically, this is a serial monitor where we can see the distance, right? Now, over there, this is my ultrasonic sensor, and you can see that right now, if I reduce, so this just assume this is you over there, right? And you are just roaming around in front of the ultrasonic sensor, and it is giving you the distance 50, 49, 44. So you are 40 centimeter away, now you are 12 centimeter away, 7 centimeter away, and now if I move ahead, so as far as you go, it will give you the distance, right? So this is a very simple example, like how you can calculate the distance using ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino, right? So just apart from this code, is it clear how to make the connections? Yes, anyone have any doubt in
Sir.
this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, great.
No,
So
sir.
so before that, just everyone quickly go and try to make the connections.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the code once more?
Okay, code. You want me to explain the code? Let me explain you the code. Basically, what is happening over there? Like once you learn furthermore with us, so we will teach you how to write the code. And I'm telling you that this code is really easy. First, we have created a variable because we have connected the ultrasonic sensor over here. Variable is basically is a kind of container, right? In real life, we use container to store some of the physical things like salt, sugar in your home. Similarly, this is a variable which is used to store the numbers over here. And we mention it in the void setup. That means we are telling the Arduino that these are the two variables we have over there. And then this is the serial monitor where we can see the distance. By that, I am just initializing over here. Now the next thing in the void loop, we are trying to just get the distance using ultrasonic sensor. Right, and you can see over here there is some problem in this circuit, so I request you everyone, do not use my circuit over here, right? Try to create your own, because once you open the Tinkercad you will find this one, and try to avoid that, just go to the new circuit and try to create that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday you said try to connect LED RGB with
Mm-hmm.
Arduino Uno.
Yes, how many of you have connected that?
Sir, I did it.
Okay,
Sir,
you
I have
did.
connected. Sir, I
Sir,
have
I
also
did,
connected.
but
Okay, can you just share your screen? Whosoever have done, like one
Yes, sir.
person, just share your screen. Let me see.
Yes, sir, I am sharing.
Rest of you just try to create the circuit only. Do not go for the code. I'll give you the code. And nobody will use my circuit. And once you're done with the circuit, just write done in the chat box. Okay, is it this RGB light? Okay, it seems correct. Okay, done.
excuse me, sir.
All right, great. So this RGB is
Excuse me,
giving
sir.
us the different types of lights. Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, I joined right now. So, yesterday also I could not join. So, you can tell me what we have done.
We have just created this circuit over there.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't join yesterday and I am right now. I have joined. So what you so I have joined right now. So what you have done right now?
We have just opened the this Tinkercad platform. Have you ever heard of this platform before?
No, sir.
Okay, so
No,
basically,
sir.
this is a Tinkercad platform, right? And you have to open it. How you need to open it, I am going to give you the instructions over there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm going to paste the instructions in the chat box. You just have to follow them. So in mobile phone, it will create some problem, but in your like laptop or your computer, it will not create a problem. Yes, do not use this circuit.
Sir, I have made the circuit.
Okay, whosoever is like completed the circuit, you can just quickly write the done over there so that I can see and then we'll move to the next thing. So whosoever done with the circuit, I'm gonna give you the code, right? You just have to now this is the code, everyone. You can use this code. So okay, if you're using breadboard, then that's good. If you can see the distance using this ultrasonic sensor, just let me know after writing the code.
Sir, can you show the code again?
I have shared the code in the chat box. You can just take the code from there. Just take that code and use it in the code section. That's it. So why are you using gas sensor, Rishabh? Gas sensor, like it's bit different than this one. So when we learn about the gas sensor, then you can use this.
सदाब ने बोला कि स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड कर लो
कर रहा हूँ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, so Rishabh, you can like yes, it happens. So there is some like a difference in your like the real gas sensor and in the Tinkercad gas sensor, right? So don't worry about it. Yes, somebody has called me. Who was there? Yes.
Sir, I have made the circuit correct and the code is correct, but in the serial monitor, the distance is coming 0.
Okay, distance is coming 0. Just share your screen. Let me see.
Sir, these
Excuse
pins
me.
are not.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the code once again?
Okay, I'll explain. Let me have the doubt from one person and then
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, how can we do this on a laptop or computer?
So in laptop you have to open this Tinkercad. I have shared the like the steps how you are going to open the Tinkercad in the chat box. Just refer to that, which is there are very simple steps you have to follow, and you'll be on the Tinkercad.
Sir, you can explain from starting.
Yes, I will. Okay, let me explain from the starting. I'm going to close everything and then I'm going to open it again.
Sir, may I share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Just share your screen. Let me have your.
Okay.
Sir,
Mhm.
sir, I'm not able to do.
Okay, don't worry about it. I'll explain you again, right? Let me just take that out, whoever is sharing the screen, and then I'll explain each and everything from the like step number one. So don't worry about it. Okay, just share your screen. Let me see. Okay, get to the Tinkercad. Alright, because trig and echo you have connected in 6 and 7, but in code you have mentioned 12 and 11. So either you can like change the wires or you can change the numbers over there. And then it will work, right? Okay, so this is how you have to open the Tinkercad. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So what you need to do, you just have to search for tinkercad.com and then hit enter, right? And once you write this thing, then you'll be having a this kind of screen. And in this screen, you have to just click on login over here, right? And after that, click on students with the class code. Now, once you get to the students with the class code, there is a class code. I have shared it to you in the chat box. So I'm gonna take the code from the chat box and paste it over there, right? Let me just paste it again.
Sir,
Yes.
the code is robotics.
So then I'll click on go to my class, and after that over there you have to write robotics
Oh, okay, sir.
and then click on go to my class. So this might happen, and now over there in my screen you can see that it is not working because I put a space after S. So that means there must be no space. And then once I click on go to my class, I can see that, and after that I'll get to the home, and there I can find my circuit, whatever I have created over there.
ये सक
सर्किट से
ये
इनमें से कौन सी
ये एक ही सर्किट है
So you instead of that you just have to go and click on create and then 3D then circuits. Just click on create and then circuits.
So,
Mhm.
sir, I have done the circuit and my code is not opening.
Code is not opening. Can you just share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's happening with me also, sir. I am not able to write my code for this
You do not need to write the code. You just have to get to this option from here, get to the code and get to the text coding and paste the code whatever I have sent it to you in the chat box. Right?
Sir, done.
Okay, great, Slok. If someone was sharing your screen,
Yes, sir. Just 2 minutes.
okay, all right. All right, a lot of you are done. And still, if anyone have, okay, great. If anyone is not able to get the distance, then you can just let me know. Do not do anything in this circuit whatever I have created.
Sir, there's an error in mine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Alright,
just
just
open
open
the
the
circuit.
circuit.
Just
Just
So,
open
open
the
the
code,
code,
Khushi.
Khushi.
Okay,
Okay,
just
just
click
click
on the
on the
blocks
blocks
wait.
and
and
click
click
on
on
text.
text.
Click
Click
on
on
continue.
continue.
There
There
you have
you
to
have to
paste the
paste the
code I
code
have
I have
shared in
shared
the
in the
chat
chat
box.
box.
Right?
Right,
Just
just
take the
take the
code
code
from
from
there
there
and
and
then you
then you
can.
can.
oh, so much I can. So, one child of this
Sir, can
class is
serial?
calling me.
Excuse
Yes.
me,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
yes,
May I share my screen?
Yeah,
yeah,
sure.
sure,
Just
just
share
share
your
your
screen.
screen.
Sir, I wanted to say that in my this
Okay,
this
Okay,
just
just,
circuit,
okay,
okay,
only
do
do,
three
Excuse me.
pins are there,
okay,
but
okay,
do
do
in
one
one
thing,
thing,
what?
do
do
one
one
thing,
thing,
do
do
one
one
Excuse me,
thing.
thing.
sir.
Just,
Okay,
okay,
wait,
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 wait.
wait.
Just
Just
delete
delete
this
this
component.
component.
Delete
Delete
this
this
component
component
from
from
here.
here.
Excuse me, sir.
Now
Now
in the
in the
search,
search,
in the
in the
search
search
box,
box,
just
just
write
write
UL.
UL,
Just
just
write
write
UL
UL
and
and
just
just
small
small
UL,
UL,
not the
not the
capital
capital
one,
one, the
small
small
UL.
UL.
Delete
Delete
this
this
UL
UL
and
and
write
Excuse
write
it
me,
it
in
in
sir.
lowercase.
lowercase.
Yes,
Yes,
over
over
there
there
you
you
can
can
see in
see in
other
other
components
components
there
there
is
is
one
one
more
more
ultrasonic
ultrasonic
sensor.
sensor
And
and
take
take
that
Yes,
that
one.
sir.
one.
Just
Just
take
take
that
that
one
one
and then
and then
try
try
to
to
connect
connect
it.
it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
One child named as Manju Yadav is calling me again and again. She is of my class only, but then also she is disturbing me in the online class.
Okay,
Okay,
yes.
yes.
Manju
Manju
Yadav, do
Yadav, do
not
not
call
call
her.
her.
Right?
Right?
If you
If
have
you have
any
any
doubt, you
doubt, you
can
can
just
just
tell
tell
me.
me.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
you
you
can
can
stop
stop
share your
share your
screen
screen
and
and
keep
keep
on
on
creating. If
creating. If
still
still
you
you
face
face
any
any
problem, you
problem, you
can
can
just
just
call
call
me,
me,
right?
right?
Yes,
Yes,
just
just
stop
stop
share
share
your
your
screen.
screen.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
Anyone
Anyone
else
else
having
having
any
any
problem?
problem?
Okay,
Okay,
everyone
everyone
done?
done?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Alright.
No, sir, I'm
Yes, sir.
writing the code.
Okay,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
all right.
alright.
I'll
I'll
wait
wait
for
for
two
two
more
more
minutes.
minutes.
Yes,
Yes,
someone
someone
has
has
raised the
raised the
hand.
hand.
Okay, no
Okay, no
one.
one.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
I
I
hope
hope
everyone
everyone
done.
done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Alright,
so
so
let's
let's
move to
move
the
to the
next
next
thing,
thing,
right?
right?
The
The
next
next
thing we
thing
are
we are
going to
going to
do
do
is
is
let's
let's
interface a
interface a
new
new
sensor,
sensor,
or
or
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
add
add
some of
some
the
of the
things
things
over
over
there
there
as
as
well,
well,
right?
right?
So
So
everyone
everyone
just
just
leave
leave
your
your
system
system
and
and
just
just
focus
focus
over
over
there,
there,
right?
right?
Sir,
Let's.
Let's.
it's not that.
Okay, you're
Okay, you're
not
not
done.
done.
Just share
Just
your
share your
screen.
Can
Let
you
screen.
me
Let
see.
me
paste it?
see.
Sir, sir,
Okay.
I'm
Okay,
still doing.
Okay,
okay.
I
I
think
think
it's
it's
Amoha.
Moha.
Can you
Can you
just share
just
your
share your
screen?
screen?
Let me
Let me
see.
see.
Sir, I'm still doing.
Okay, sir.
Continue.
Is it visible?
All right,
Alright,
just
just
get to
get
the
to the
Tinkercad.
Tinkercad.
Well,
Yes, open the Tinkercad, open your browser. Let me see what have you done. Alright, code seems okay. Your connections is correct. Now get to the code. Let me see your code. Alright, you haven't written the code right. Just take the code from the chat box and use it over there.
ठीक है It's okay.
Okay,
Take
sir.
okay, great. Take the code and just use it over there, right? And it will work. Now after that, let's create a
Okay, sir.
yes.
Sir, can you check my code?
Yeah, sure. Just share your screen.
Okay, sir.
So Amoha, you have to just take the code from the chat box and use it over there, right? And then it will work. Alright, you can just run this, click on start simulation and it will work. Okay, there is some problem in the line number one. Just remove this parenthesis, the curly bracket. In the line number one, remove the curly bracket. Great. Now click on start simulation. Alright, now it will work, right? You can just click on the serial monitor and you'll see the distance. Now you can stop share your screen. Just yes, stop share your screen and you can mute yourself.
Here it is, sir. Okay, sir, done.
Alright, now let's do the next thing. Let's create a security alarm system, right? I'm gonna first explain the things and then we'll get to the doubts. Right now we can see the distance over there, right? And let's say I need to use this it in my home, right? So over there I can see the distance like 139 and I can decrease the distance and I can increase the distance. But right now I need to implement this thing in my home that if somebody will be like close to 50 centimeter in my home. So what will happen? There should be a ring which should start ringing, right? So this is the thing we try to create over there. Now how can we create? Let me give you the idea. For that, just give me a second. Alright, so over there I'm gonna introduce a new component which will give us the sound. Right, so the name of that component is our buzzer. So I'll take that component once you scroll down and I recommend you to do not do the things. Right, first just have a watch and then you can do the things. Yes?
Sir, I think Moha still has some trouble. If you could help her.
Okay, yeah, sure. Just share your screen. Let me see.
Yes, sir. देखो
Yes, Amoha, just copy the code from the chat.
So if you could tell what problem she, like what error is she doing?
Okay, just go to the Google Meet and open the chat box. Just go to the Google Meet and open the chat box over there. Alright, now over there I have sent you the code. Yes, just copy this code from here.
This?
Yes,
Yes,
this
this
one.
one.
Click
Click
on
on
copy
copy
and
and
then
then
get to
get
the
to the
browser
browser
and
and
paste the
paste the
code
code
after
after
removing
removing
everything
everything
from
from
there.
there.
In the
In the
Tinkercad,
Tinkercad,
remove
remove
everything
everything
from
from
here
here
first
first
and
and
then
then
paste
paste
the
the
code.
code.
Hmm?
Just
Just
remove
remove
everything
everything
from
from
here,
here,
delete
delete
every
every
word,
word,
or you
or you
can
can
select
select
everything
everything
and
and
then
then
delete.
delete.
It
It
will
will
be
be
deleted
deleted
at
at
once.
once.
Yes,
Yes,
are
are
you
you
able to
able to
delete?
delete?
All right,
Alright,
now
now
you
you
can
can
stop
stop
sharing
sharing
your
your
screen
screen
and
and
just
just
delete
delete
these
these
things,
things, and
and after
after
that you
that you
can
can
paste the
paste the
code and
code
it
and
will
it will
work.
work.
Right,
Right,
and
and
still if
still
you
if you
face the
face the
problem,
problem,
you can
you can
just
just
call
call
me
me
again.
again.
Right?
Right?
Sure, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Alright.
Now
Now
let's
let's
get
get
to
to
our
our
project
project
which
which
we were
we were
trying to
trying to
create.
create.
Now
Now
over
over
there,
there,
I'm
I'm
trying to
trying to
create a
create a
security
security
system
system
where
where
I
I
set a
set a
distance,
distance
like
like
if
if
the
the
distance
distance
is
is
less
less
than
than
50
50
centimeter, if
centimeter. If
somebody
somebody
come
come
very
very
close to
close to
my
my
home,
home,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
set a
set a
distance
distance
as
as
50
50
centimeter,
centimeter,
and
and
this
this
is
is
the
the
buzzer
buzzer
which will
which will
start
start
giving us
giving
the
us the
sound.
sound.
Right?
Right?
So
So
for
for
that I
that, I
recommend
recommend
all
all
of
of
you,
you,
if
if
you're
you're
stuck
stuck
anywhere,
anywhere,
do
do
not
not
do
do
anything in
anything in
your
your
screen,
screen,
just
just
watch it
watch it
out.
out.
Now
Now,
every
every
one
one
of you
of
have
you have
created
created
this
this
thing,
thing,
and
and
after
after
that I'm
that, I'm
gonna
gonna
make the
make the
circuit for
circuit
the
for the
buzzer.
buzzer,
Right?
right?
So
So
just
just
focus
focus
over
over
here
here
for a
for a
while.
while.
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
connect
connect
my
my
buzzer
buzzer
at
at
pin
pin
number
number
6,
6.
Great, okay.
and
And
after
after
that
that,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
get
this
this
negative
negative
pin
pin
to
to
the
the
GND
GND
over
over
here.
here,
Right?
right?
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
change the
change the
color
color
from
from
here.
here.
Let
Let
me
me
make
make
it
it
as a
as a
orange.
orange.
Now
Now,
the
the
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
in the
in the
code
code,
I'm going
I'm
to
going to
make
make
some
some
changes.
changes.
Like
Like about
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
write
write
one
one
more
more
int,
int,
and
and
this
this
time I'll
time I'll
write the
write the
buzzer
buzzer
equals
equals
to
to
6.
6.
So I've
So I've
connected my
connected my
buzzer to
buzzer
the
to the
pin
pin
number
number
6.
6.
Same
Same
thing, I'm
thing,
gonna
I'm gonna
write
write
pin
pin
mode
mode
for
for
the
the
new
new
variable we
variable we
have
have
created,
created,
the
the
buzzer
buzzer
over
over
here,
here,
and
and
this
this
buzzer is
buzzer is
going to be
going
in
to be in
output
output
mode
mode
because it
because
will
it will
give us
give
the
us the
sound.
sound.
Now
Now,
I'm going
I'm
to
going to
take
take
something.
something,
I'll
I'll
write
write
this
this
code over
code over
here.
here.
If
If
my
my
distance
distance
is
is
like
like
less
less
than
than
50
50
centimeter,
centimeter,
in
in
that
that
case
case,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
write
write
digital
digital
right,
right,
my
my
buzzer
buzzer
should
should
high,
high.
and
And
I'll
I'll
write
write
else
else,
my
my
buzzer
buzzer
should
should
not
not
high.
high.
That
That
means
means
rest of
rest
the
of the
times
times
my
my
buzzer
buzzer
should
should
be
be
off.
off.
Let
Let
me
me
take the
take the
same
same
code over
code over
there,
there,
and
and
after
after
that
that,
let's
let's
have a
have a
try.
try.
Now
Now
everyone
everyone
just
just
look
look
at
at
my
my
screen.
screen.
So
So
I
I
hope
hope
all
all
of
of
you
you
are
are
able to
able to
hear
hear
some
some
kind of
kind of
noise.
noise.
Yes,
Yes,
isn't it?
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
I'm
I'm
sir.
gonna
gonna
make
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
make
make
it
it
low.
low.
Now
Now
you're
you're
not
not
able to
able to
hear.
hear.
Now
Now
just
just
take a
take a
look
look
at the
at the
serial
serial
monitor.
monitor.
Right now
Right
my
now my
distance is
distance is
102.
102.
So
So
slowly,
slowly,
slowly, if
slowly,
I
if I
go
go
like
like
very
very
closer to
closer
the
to the
50,
50,
right now
right now
it's
it's
70
70
and
and
60,
60,
and
and
after
after
that
that
56,
56,
and
and
now
now
you
you
can
can
hear the
hear the
voice.
voice.
Now
Now
if I
if I
go
go
beyond
beyond
50,
50,
I
I
cannot
cannot
see,
see,
like
like
I
I
cannot
cannot
hear
hear
anything.
anything.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes,
Yes,
Sir, I'm not able to write the text.
you're
you're
not
not
able to
able to
write the
write the
text.
text?
Okay,
Okay,
all right,
alright,
don't
don't
worry
worry
about it.
about it.
Let
Let
me
me
help you
help
out.
you out.
So
So
this
this
is an
is an
activity
activity
which
which
all
all
of you
of you
have to
have to
perform,
perform,
right?
right?
First of
First
all,
of all,
just
just
get to
get
the
to the
Tinkercad
Tinkercad
everyone
everyone
and
and
write
write
this
this code. Oh,
right,
right,
just
just
create
create
this
this
circuit,
circuit,
right?
right?
And
And
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
this
this
the
the
new
new
thing
thing
I
I
have
have
created.
created.
दिखाओ मत बताओ
You
You
कौन सा
just
just
have
have
to
to
write it
write it
over
over
there.
there.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
Amoha,
Amoha,
just
just
share
share
your
your
screen.
screen.
Let me
Let me
help you
help
out.
you out.
Don't
Don't
worry
worry
about
about
it.
it.
Sir, please help me.
Okay,
Okay,
like
like
after
after
Amoha, you
Amoha,
can
you can
share
share
your
your
screen,
screen,
right?
right?
Let
Let
me
me
just
just
see.
see.
Yes,
Yes,
Amoha,
Amoha,
just share
just share
your
your
screen.
screen.
Yes, sir.
And
And
rest
rest
of you
of you
just
just
quickly
quickly
create
create
this
this
circuit.
circuit.
Like you
Like you
just
just
have to
have to
add
add
one
one
more
more
component.
component.
All
All
right,
right,
now
now
open the
open the
browser
browser
where
where
you have
you have
written the
written the
code.
code.
All
All
right,
right,
you
you
just
just
have
have
to
to
Sir,
like,
I think there's some issue. She's not able to paste it.
okay.
okay,
Now
now
over
over
there.
there.
All
All
right.
right,
So
so
just
just
close
close
this
this
keyboard
keyboard
from
from
here.
here.
Remove the
Remove the
keyboard
keyboard
from the
from the
screen.
screen.
All
All
right.
right,
So
so
to
to
paste the
paste the
code
code
over
over
Sir, it
here.
is
here, you
already in our.
Okay,
okay,
just
just
listen to
listen to
me.
me.
To
To
paste the
paste the
code over
code
here,
over
you
here, you
just have
just
to
have to
click
click
and
and
hold
hold
for a
for a
while.
while.
The
The
cursor is
cursor is
blinking.
blinking,
Just
just
click
click
and
and
hold for
hold
a
for a
while,
while,
and
and
maybe it
maybe
will
it will
give
give
you
you
the
the
number of
number of
things
things
like
like
copy,
copy,
paste,
paste,
cut.
cut.
No, sir.
It is
It is
not
not
giving
giving
anything.
anything.
Have you
Have you
copied the
copied the
code?
No,
code?
sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
are you
are you
using the
using the
Safari
Safari
browser?
browser?
No, sir.
It's
It's
Chrome.
Chrome.
Yes, it is Chrome.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
now
now
open the
open the
keyboard.
keyboard.
Let's see
Let's see
from
from
there.
there.
Just
Just
click
click
and
and
I
I
think the
think the
keyboard
keyboard
should
should
appear
appear
automatically.
automatically.
Excuse me, sir.
Just
Just
wait for
wait
a
for a
while.
while.
I'll
I'll
come
come
back to
back to
you.
you.
Yes,
Yes,
Amoha,
Amoha,
just
just
try to
try to
open the
open the
keyboard.
keyboard.
Yes, sir, it's opened.
But
But
I
I
cannot
cannot
see
see
that.
that.
So it is opened.
I
I
saw
saw
that
that
there are
there are
three
three
buttons
buttons
just
just
top
top
left of
left
your
of your
keyboard.
keyboard.
One is
One is
your
your
like
like
undo
undo
and
and
redo, and
redo, and
after
after
that there
that
is
there is
one
one
more
more
small
small
like
like
option. I
option. I
think
think
this
this
is your
is your
paste
paste
option
option
maybe.
maybe.
Yes, sir.
Just
Just
try to
try to
click
click
over
over
there.
there.
Yes.
Maybe
Maybe
it
it
will
will
help.
help.
Yes,
Uh,
Uh,
sir. It happened.
okay, all
okay, all
right.
right.
Sir, done.
Okay,
Okay,
Amoha, now
Amon, now
you
you
can
can
stop
stop
sharing
share
your
your
Sir, may
screen.
you
screen.
please help me?
Yes,
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 Sir,
yes.
just
done.
Sir,
Okay,
okay,
great.
great.
Just
Just
share
sir,
share
your
may
your
I
screen.
see the screen?
Sir, I am done.
Yes.
yes.
All
All
right,
right,
great,
great,
Amoha.
Amoha.
You
You
can
can
now
now
stop share
stop
your
share your
Thank you,
screen.
screen.
sir. Sir, can I share my screen?
Okay,
Okay,
just
just
wait.
wait.
Like,
Like
Sir, may I
the
share the screen now?
yeah,
yeah,
sure. You
sure.
can
You
share
can
your
share your
screen.
screen.
Sir, first you have to close your screen
Uh,
because I
uh,
can't.
Okay,
okay.
let me
Let me
close my
close my
screen. Now
screen.
you
Now
can
you
share
can
your
share your
screen.
screen.
Uh,
Sir, I have done.
Done?
Done?
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
what's
what's
your
your
name?
name?
It's
It's
Aarti
Aarti
or it's
or it's
something
something
else?
else?
Vedika.
Can you
Can you
spell
spell
it?
it?
Vedica.
VDICA.
VDICA.
Vedica.
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 Vedika.
Vedika.
Okay, so
Okay, so
Vedika,
Vedika,
just
just
give me
give me
some
some
time.
time.
Let
Let
me
me
take
take
the
the
doubt
doubt
from
from
like
like
her,
her,
and then
and
I'll
then
come
I'll
back
come
to
back
you,
to you,
right?
right?
Don't
Don't
worry
worry
about it.
about it.
sir, I'm not able to share my screen.
Okay,
Okay,
why? Is
why?
it
Is it
giving
giving
some
some
pop-up
pop-up
or
or
anything
anything
else?
else?
So there is the option when I'm clicking it, so it is not opening.
So you
So you
can
can
refresh
refresh
the
the
whole
whole
Google
Google
Meet, the
Meet,
whole
the
your
whole your
browser,
browser,
and then
and then
try to
try to
share it,
share it,
right?
right?
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
Vedika, you
Vedika,
can
you can
share your
share your
screen.
screen.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
Now
Now
Sir, I
go
go,
have done.
to
I wanted to see my code.
just
just
open the
open the
code,
code
Vedika.
Vedika.
Click on
Click
the
on the
code
code
option.
option.
All
All
right.
right.
So you
So
just
you
have
just
to
have to
paste the
paste the
code
code
from the
from the
chat
chat
box.
box.
On the
On the
chat,
chat,
just go
just
to the
go to the
Google
Google
Meet and
Meet and
copy the
copy the
code
code
from
from
there.
there.
And then
And then
paste
paste
it
it
over
over
here.
here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, how should I
Sir,
select
I have done, but I want you to check my code.
Okay,
Okay,
just give
just
me
give
a
me a
second. I'll
second.
get
I'll get
back to
back
you.
to you.
Yes,
Yes,
Vedika.
Vedika.
Sir, how can I select my code to paste?
Just
Just
either
either
you
you
can
can
see a
see a
like
like a
copy
copy
paste
paste
option, or
option,
you
or you
can
can
just
just
click and
click and
hold for
hold
a
for a
while.
while.
It will
It will
give you
give
an
you an
option for
option
the
for the
copy.
copy.
If you
If you
still
still
cannot
cannot
see
see
these
these
things, you
things, you
can
can
share
share
your
your
entire
entire
screen
screen
so that
so
I
that I
can see
can
your
see your
Google
Google
Meet.
Meet.
Right
Right
now,
now,
I
I
only see
only
the
see the
black
black
screen.
screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, how can we go to the serial monitor?
You
you
can
can
see
see
on the
on the
like
like
downside
downside
there is
there
a
is a
serial
serial
monitor
monitor
written. You
written. You
can
can
just
just
click
click
over
over
there
there
and
and
you'll
you'll
get the
get the
serial
serial
monitor
monitor
open.
open.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Vedika.
Vedika,
Yes,
Are
sir.
you are you
are you
able to
able to
copy the
copy the
code?
code?
No, sir. I'm pressing it, but it's not happening.
Okay,
Okay,
don't worry.
don't
You
worry. You
can
can
just
just
stop
stop
share
share
your
your
screen,
screen,
and
and
while
while
sharing the
sharing the
screen,
screen,
just share
just
your
share your
entire
entire
screen.
screen.
Yes,
Yes,
now
now
share
share
your
your
entire
entire
screen.
screen.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
open your
open your
Google
Google
Meet.
Meet.
Yes,
Yes,
Shreya
Shreya
Singh, what
Singh, what
happened?
happened?
Any
Any
problem?
problem?
Okay,
Okay,
Vedika,
Vedika,
still I
still I
can
can
see
see
like the
like the
black
black
screen.
screen.
Which
Which
device
device
you are
you are
using?
using?
Tab,
Okay,
Okay,
is
is
it
it
like
like
uh, iPad
iPad
or
or
something
something
else?
else?
pad,
It's
It's
normal
I.
I.
pad.
Okay,
Okay,
it's a
it's a
normal
normal
one.
one.
Do
Do
you
you
have
have like
uh,
uh,
are your
are your
parents
parents
there?
there?
No, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
I
I
think
think
just
just
try
try
again.
again.
Just
Just
try to
try to
keep on
keep on
pressing
pressing
on the
on the
message I
message
have
I have
sent it
sent
to
it
you
to
in
you
the
in the
form of
form of
code.
code,
Right?
right?
Just
Just
press
press
and
and
hold.
hold,
Right?
right?
Try
Try
that.
that.
If
If
still
still
it
it
creates a
creates a
problem, I'll
problem,
give
I'll
you
give
the
you the
solution for
solution for
that.
that,
Right?
right?
Now
Now
you
you
can
can
stop
stop
share your
share your
screen.
screen.
I
I
think
think like
Sweta,
Sweta,
can you
can you
now
now
share
share
your
your
screen?
screen?
Are
Are
you
you
there?
there?
Okay,
Okay,
someone
someone
else I
else I
think
think
want to
want to
share
share
screen.
screen.
Sure, sir, I will share my
Yes,
screen.
sir, I want.
So I am connected.
Sir, I
I am
have done
connected
the
to my
circuit, but
laptop.
I want you to check my.
Okay,
Okay,
just share
just
your
share your
screen. Let
screen.
me
Let
see
me
your
see your
code
code
then.
then.
Okay,
Okay,
there
there
is
is
no
no
serial
serial
monitor on
monitor
your
on your
keyboard,
keyboard,
right?
right?
This
This
is your
is your
serial
serial
monitor.
monitor.
Let
Let
me
me
share
share
my
my
screen.
screen.
So
So
this
this
is
is
your
your
serial
serial
monitor
monitor
over
over
here.
here.
Once you
Once you
click on
click
the
on the
code,
code,
this is
this
the
is the
serial
serial
monitor,
monitor,
right?
right?
You
You
just have
just
to
have to
click
click
on it.
on it.
So may you help me?
But I think you have joined from your mobile phone. So how you gonna share your screen?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, no, sir, I have shared from the laptop.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
just
just
share
share
your
your
screen
screen
then.
then.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how to do it?
I
I
can
can
see the
see the
black
black
screen,
screen,
Shweta.
Shweta.
Okay,
Okay,
now I
now I
can
can
see.
see.
Just
Just
click
click
on
on
student with
student
the
with the
class
class
code
code
and
and
fill the
fill the
code
code
over
over
there.
there.
Do
Do
not
not
click
click
on
on
the
the,
yes,
yes,
click
click
on
on
students with
students
the
with the
class
class
code.
code.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
yes,
the
the
same
same
code you
code, you
just have
just
to
have to
write
write
it.
it.
Click
Click
on go
on
to
go to
my
my
class
class
and then
and then
join with
join with
login
login
code
code
and
and
after
after
that
that
write
write
robotics.
robotics.
Anyone
Anyone
else is
else is
facing the
facing the
problem?
problem?
Okay,
Okay,
somebody
somebody
wants to
wants to
share the
share the
screen to
screen
see
to
the
see the
code.
code.
Just share
Just
your
share your
screen then.
screen then.
Yes, sir, I lost my network. That is why, sir, I'm going to share this now.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
great.
So
So,
after
after
robotics, you
robotics, you
have to
have to
do
do
not
not
make
make
any
any
spaces.
spaces.
Yes,
Yes,
now
now
click
click
on.
on.
All
All
right.
right.
Okay, it
Okay, it
seems
seems
correct.
correct.
Click on
Click on
start
start
simulation.
simulation.
Okay, it's
Okay, it's
correct.
correct.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All
All
right,
right,
great.
great.
Now you
Now you
can
can
stop share
stop
your
share your
screen.
screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What we have to type text in the box that is coming
You
You
don't
don't
have to
have to
type
type
anything.
anything.
Just share
Just
your
share your
screen. Let
screen.
me
Let me
see.
see.
kissing.
Let me
Let me
guide you.
guide you.
Like,
Like,
how can
how
you
can you
get
get
these
these
things?
things?
Basta, basta. Ta, 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 ta.
Yes, are
Yes,
you
are you
sharing your
sharing your
screen?
screen?
Sir, my screen is not coming.
Sir,
Is not.
please help me once more.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, please help me once more.
What?
What?
Once
Once
more?
more?
Please help me once more.
Okay,
Okay,
you
Sir,
have to
have you
create the
created the
circuit.
circuit?
1, 2,
Sir,
2.
I am showing you my screen. So you
So
tell
So
me
first,
how
first,
to do
just
it.
just
create the
create the
circuit,
circuit,
right?
right?
You
You
Where
can
can
is
tilt,
going
you
on?
you
can
can,
What network is coming?
you can
tilt
make
your
your
like
like
tilt your
tilt your
mobile
mobile
phone to
phone
the
to the into the
horizontal
horizontal
mode,
mode,
and then
and
you
then you
can
can
create the
create the
circuit
circuit
first,
first,
right?
right?
sir, I am
Okay,
done.
sir.
Can I share my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
sure.
Just
Just
share your
share your
screen.
screen.
Sir,
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
sir, can you help me once more?
Okay,
Okay,
just
just
click on
click on
start
start
simulation. The
simulation. The
code
code
seems
seems
correct.
correct.
Okay,
Okay,
there is
there is
some
some
error.
error.
Now
Now
key
key
scroll
scroll
down in
down in
your
your
code.
code.
Okay,
Okay,
at
at
last you
last
have
you
to
have to
put
put
after
after
line.
line,
Just
just
go
go
at the
at the
end of
end of
line
line
number
number
29
29
and
and
put the
put the
close
close
curly
curly
bracket.
bracket.
At the
At the
end of
end
line
of line
number
number
29,
29,
put the
put the
close
close
bracket.
bracket.
Close
Close
curly
curly
bracket.
bracket.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Now
Now
click on
click on
start
start
simulation and
simulation
it
and
will
it will
work.
work.
Yes,
Yes,
now
now
it's
it's
working. Now
working.
you
Now
can
you can
adjust
adjust
the
the
distance
distance
and you
and you
can
can
see
see
that.
that.
All right,
Alright,
who
who
else
else
want
want
help?
help?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes,
I want help.
just
just
share your
share your
screen.
screen.
Okay, sir.
मत बुलाना मुझे बुला रही है।
नहीं खुल रही ना?
Okay,
Okay,
you
you
have
have
to
to
like
like
paste the
paste the
code
code
over
over
here.
here.
Sir, when I'm clicking on start simulation, it's coming
Yes,
Yes,
and
it
it
is
is
coming
coming
like
like
that
that
because you
because
do
you do
not
not
have the
have the
have
have
like pasted the
pasted the
code
code
over
over
there,
there,
right?
right?
Once you
Once you
get the
get the
code, but
code, but
don't
don't
worry
worry
about
about
it.
it.
Are you
Are you
able to
able to
understand the
understand the
activity
activity
what we
what we
did over
did over
there?
there?
yes, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, so
don't
don't
worry
worry
about it.
about it.
It's your
It's your
device
device
problem,
problem,
not
not
yours
yours
problem,
problem,
right? So
right? So
don't
don't
worry
worry
about it.
about
Now
it.
you
Now you
can
can
stop
stop
share
share
your
your
screen.
screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Sir, my circuit is showing that.
you're
you're
not
not
audible.
audible.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
all
all
right,
right,
so
so
everyone,
everyone,
what
what
we
we
have
have
learned
learned
today,
today,
let
let
me
me
just
just
quickly
quickly
specify
specify
that.
that.
So
So
today we
today we
learned
learned
how
how
a
a
sensor will
sensor will
collect the
collect our
data,
data,
right?
right?
And
And
by
by
that a
that a
machine will
machine will
react,
react,
just
just
like we
like
have
we have
created a
created a
small
small
security
security
system
system
using
using
ultrasonic
ultrasonic
sensor
sensor
and a
and a
buzzer
buzzer
and an
and an
Arduino
Arduino
Uno,
Uno,
right?
right?
So
So
this
this
is the
is the
thing
thing
we
we
have
have
done
done
today.
today.
So
So
tomorrow
tomorrow
we'll
we'll
do
do
something
something
like really
really
and
and
really
really
funny,
funny,
right?
right?
You'll
You'll
enjoy
enjoy
just
just
like you
like you
did
did
today,
today,
right?
right?
And
And
one more
one more
thing,
thing,
if
if
your
your
like
like
circuit
circuit
or
or
your
your
code
code
is
is
not
not
working, do
working, do
not
not
get
get
worried,
worried,
right?
right?
Because
Because
it's
it's
right
right
now
now
you are
you are
just in
just
a
in a
learning
learning
phase,
phase,
right?
right?
So
So
stay
stay
tuned
tuned
for
for
the
the
tomorrow's
tomorrow's
session,
session
and
Excuse
and
me, sir.
we'll
we'll
meet
meet
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
Can
may I
you
share my screen?
share one more that what we have learned today?
Okay,
Okay,
let
let
me.
me.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it
Is it
done?
done?
Should I
Should I
stop
Yes,
share
stop
my
share my
sir.
screen?
screen?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
all
all
right,
right,
everyone.
everyone.
You
You
can.
can.
Yes.
Yes.
Who is
Who is
calling
calling
me?
me?
Sir, Suryansh.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
yes,
Suryans.
Suryans.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. You
sure, you
can
can
share your
share your
screen.
screen.
And
And
rest
rest
of you,
of you,
if you
if you
want to
want to
leave, you
leave, you
can
can
leave,
leave,
right?
right?
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
it's
it's
Alia.
Alia.
I
I
got
got
again.
again. I'm
Taking your
taking your
parents'
parents'
name.
name.
So,
So,
Bye, sir.
like
Good evening,
from
from
the
sir.
next
next
session,
session,
maybe
maybe
you
you
can
can
rename
rename
yourself.
yourself.
Okay,
Okay,
bye. Good
bye. Good
evening.
evening.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye
bye
bye.
Thank
bye.
you, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
I
I
think you
think
have
you have
already
already
shown
shown
this
this
RGB
RGB
LED,
LED,
the
the
circuit.
circuit.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye
bye
bye,
bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Okay,
see
see
this
this
RGB
RGB
LED,
LED,
like I
like I
have to
have to
explain.
explain it.
It's
It's
not
not
about.
about
I'm
tell
telling
you
like
like
I'll
I'll
tell
tell
you
you
the
the
whole
whole
connection,
connection,
but
but
it's
it's
not
not
worthwhile.
worthwhile.
But
But
I
I
need to
need
tell
to tell
you
you
like
like
how
how
this
this
thing
thing
work,
work,
and
and
then
then
you
you
can
can
like
like
code by
code by
your
your
own,
own,
right? So
right? So
don't
don't
worry
worry
about it.
about
When
it.
we
When we
learn
learn
about the
about the
RGB
RGB
LED,
LED,
you'll
you'll
able to
able to
do
do
that,
that,
right?
right?
So,
So,
all
all
right,
right,
everyone. Now
everyone.
you
Now
can
you can
stop share
stop
your
share your
screen, and
screen,
we'll
and we'll
meet
meet
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.